Hey guys! Welcome to my miniature kitchen. You're on the Tiny Cakes channel, and today you will learn the recipe for miniature sandwiches for breakfast. We start with biscuit dough. Just listen to how the film rustles. Now we knead our dough with 2 fingers. Do not forget to sprinkle it with flour, sifting it through the light tapping of a finger. Now with the help of a rolling pin, we will go through the dough. And our mini knife will help to cut all the excess. Great! Now fold the dough in half and roll it into such a roll. Perfect! We can put the dough aside and wait for it to rise. Oh, I've heard the sound! Our dough is ready. In the meantime, I'll break an egg into a bowl. Add some salt and mix it thoroughly. You're doing great! Let's make a small fire with matches and put our mini frying pan on the fire. Pour some oil in there. And our egg. Oh, just listen to that! A couple of minutes and the egg is ready. Using our miniature knife, we will cut the ham into squares. Perfect! Let's deal with cherry tomato. Do not forget about the omelette. We will remove all the unnecessary parts. Oh, I want to eat this already. But we will make our breakfast more healthy and delicious by adding some mango. Feel free to cut it into cubes and throw it into our miniature mixer. Oh, just look at that! There we go! Now close it. And let's start mixing. Take the second bowl and pour water into it. Add some sugar and a pinch of gelatin powder. Mix well with a mini spoon. Pour everything into a mini saucepan and put it on fire. Wonderful! Just listen to how it's bubbling. But let's not get carried away. Let's remove it from the fire. Pour it into 2 bowls. And add some chopped mango to one of them and mix it. Well, actually our mango is completely blended at this point. And I'll use some fresh milk in the other one. We did it! There's just a little bit left. Take a small container and pour the mango there first. Then some milk on top. Our super delicious miniature breakfast is almost ready. Let's take the bread that we made ourselves and cut it with a mini knife. cut off the edges. Let's start collecting it. Putting ingredients one by one. Let's finish our sandwich with another lettuce leaf and a piece of bread. Hooray! The sandwich is ready. Now let's deal with our dessert. Put the remaining mango slices on top. Oh, it's beautiful! But it'll be even better if we add a mint leaf on top. Finally, our super delicious miniature breakfast is ready. Just look at how beautiful it is. And it's absolutely amazing. What about dessert? Oh, it's impossible to break away. It's so delicious and healthy. Well guys, did you like our miniature breakfast? Then do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the Tiny Cakes channel. I'll see you very soon. Bye everyone!